Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my reaction. How are you guys doing today? So you guys know I love my group CNCO. Oh, I love me some CNCO. I love my group CNCO. My Puerto Rican, my Dominican Republic, my one from Ecuador, one from Mexico, Ecuador, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republican, Mexico. Oh, and the last one is Cuban. Yes. You know I love my Puerto Ricans. I love CNCO. So this is basically another reaction video to the group CNCO from the song from their latest album, Deja Vu. I think it's pronounced as Tan Enamorados. Tan Enamorados. I'm just gonna play the song. I'm gonna go in and out because I don't want my video to get blocked.
¿Qué le hace falta a esta noche a nuestra vida? Y ya han vivido tanto, que han visto mil colores, te sana, te deja. Y cuando llueve, te gusta caminar. Vas abrazándome sin prisa aunque te mueves. Amor mío, lo nuestro como es. Es toda una aventura, no le hace falta nada. Estoy aquí, tan enamorada.
Come on, Joey.
Que la noche dura un poco. El grito de
Oh my god, I'm so happy to see you, Joel.
que ve nuestras caras, la aumenta. Y te haré compañía más allá de la vida.
Come on, Richard. Ooh, I saw something. Eric. Voice sounding good.
Hacia la vida, estoy loco, te arrepiento. Sonriendo a la gente que nos ve pasar. Ey, tan enamorado de seguir. La noche dura.
Come on, Joel.
Poco más. Viajar a tu lado. Un sueño difícil de creer. Poco a poco en la playa, boca a boca.
Give it to me.
Aliento y suspiros míos de la noche dura un poco más, llegar a tu
Come on, Chris.
un sueño difícil. Quizás se pueda preguntar
Come on, Richard.
qué hace falta a esa noche.
I live for that. That was CNCO, Tan Enamoradas. Yes, that was a live version of them. I'm so happy to see Joel. I hope they listen to my message to the universe to keep him within the group, but still do his own solo career. You can do both. Love it. Even though, because he was on an album, it is a contract obligation as well to perform the song. So I see why he's there. I'm back, guys. Oh god, I really do like this group. You guys don't understand. I listened to the Deja Vu album a lot. I really do like this group. I'm such a fan. CNCO, so thanks to the ones who gave me this recommendation of this group. I really do appreciate it. This is like, today is my 1-year anniversary of being a reacting YouTuber. So I'm so excited. That was CNCO, you guys. For you guys, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. Get to it as soon as possible. As always, looking to you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.